Hello, good morning everyone. So this is Val with Kitty and then Jordan holding, yeah, there you go. So Jordan holding the camera. And then we have Rachel. Hi Rachel.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so today is Sunday. And then we're going to Manila. We're going to Intramuros, and I think right after that we'll go straight to Mall of Asia. And then look, we've got here IAE camp kids. Yeah. So look at them. Yeah. So 5 of them are sleeping. And they look so tired. Yeah. So yesterday we also had an activity. So we went to Zubik Safari and go kart. Yep. But I think they went to bed last night very early, but today they're so tired. So I'm sure this is gonna be a happy day. We'll enjoy shopping, and then Jordan, Kitty, and I will enjoy watching and taking care of them.
Yeah. Window shopping.
Yeah, we're gonna be nannies. Yeah. Okay, so bye bye.